Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to get root access and login as root user in Kali Linux. In the new update, we cannot log in as root user in Kali Linux. So, first of all, we have to log in as a non-root user. Enter the username and password. Now open the terminal. And here using whoami command you can see the current login user, which is a non-root user account. And using pwd command you can see the current working directory. So using sudo I command you can log in as root in the terminal. And now you can see I am logged in as root. Now I can run any command here without sudo. So we have to set the root password. And here I am run the command without sudo. Now here using this command you can set the root password. Verify the password. Now you can see password updated successfully. Now you can log in as the root user. So exit from the terminal. Now log out from here. And try to log in as the root user using your new password. Now we have successfully logged in as root. To verify I am open the terminal and run the same commands and you can see the result. Using whoami command result is root. And using pwd command you can see the working directory is also root. So that is it. This is the way how to get root access and login as root user in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much. See you in next video.